Hey, what's up everyone? I just picked up a used 2019 Harley-Davidson 48 Special, and it came with an aftermarket seat. I believe this is Harley-Davidson's Sundowner seat. It's very comfortable, but I just don't like the way it looks on the bike, so I'm actually swapping it out here. I picked up, I've had some experience with LePera brand seats before, so I picked up another LePera. This one is a Stubs Cafe. I will leave a link in the description for this one. So let's open this box up and check this seat out, see what it looks like. So this particular seat did not come with any mounting hardware. The mount point is already built in, so there's no bracket to install. So this should be just a simple removal and install, no hardware necessary. So let's go and remove the other seat from the bike. There's just one bolt in the back here that holds it on. This is a Harley-Davidson seat, so you're still going to have to push forward and then lift up to remove the seat. Alright, since I don't plan to use any more Harley-Davidson seats, I'm going to remove this little piece right here just so it doesn't stick into the bottom of the new seat that I'm putting in. Okay, to install the new seat, all we're gonna do is hook this front tab part, and we're gonna hook it right up under here. So after riding on the seat for a couple days, this one is definitely a keeper. This Stubs Cafe seat is exactly what I was looking for. So I figured there was going to be a gap between the seat and the tank, and that's not a deal breaker for me. The stock seat comes like that, so there was no reason to expect that this aftermarket one would be any different. To tell you the truth, I like this seat a lot better than a previous LePera seat that I had on my Iron 883. That was the Daytona Sport. It kind of had the same look, you know, kind of like a cafe seat with the rounded back end here. I also tried out a LePera sprocket seat for that bike, and that one just, it wasn't comfortable to me. riding on that for a couple days, I had some cramping in the legs and stuff, and I don't know if it had to do with that, but just wasn't what I was looking for. So there it is, the LePera Stubs Cafe solo seat, and this is what it looks like on a 2019 Harley-Davidson 48 Special. Hope you enjoyed the video today. If you liked it, click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button if you haven't already. Until next time.